Where are you going?
It's so dizzy.
Well, don't move.
You'll get more dizzy. It's itching you. What boy do you like? What boy do you like at school? Are you choking? No. What boy do you like at school? Who?
Or anywhere.
Or anywhere. Who do you like? What boy is cute? Who do you like?
Jackson Tolman.
You like Jackson Tolman? Why?
Why?
Yeah, why?
That's hilarious.
Because he's hilarious.
I can't swallow.
Just let it drool out. I'll clean you up. I'll get a napkin and clean you up. Just don't try to swallow. Are you okay? Your nostrils flared when you swallowed. She's flaring her nostril.